By 2040, your boss might not be human. Your coworker could be a machine. And your job, it might not even exist anymore. The question is, in a world ruled by artificial intelligence, what will you exactly do? Because the future won't just replace what we do, it will reinvent who we are. Let's step into the year 2040 and meet the new generation of dreamers, builders, and thinkers. Humans, designing the future alongside machines. The first revolution begins deep inside the digital mind, the world of artificial intelligence and technology. Imagine creating not machines, but personalities. That's the job of an artificial intelligence personality designer. They sculpt how a machine thinks, feels, and responds, deciding whether your digital assistant whispers softly or laughs like a friend. They are the storytellers of machine emotion, shaping the voices that will guide our lives. Then comes the prompt engineer 2.0, the new whisperer of the machine age. They don't just type commands, they teach artificial intelligence to see, hear, and even sense emotion. They communicate in color, sound, and texture, blending human imagination with digital logic. In 2040 world, there's more than one of you. The digital clone manager oversees virtual versions of real people, your twin that works, learns, and speaks online while you live your life offline. They'll manage your clone's behavior, decisions, and even its moral code. Because in 2040, losing control of your clone might mean losing yourself. And when machines grow self-aware, they'll need protectors. Enter the robot rights advocate, lawyers who fight in court for the legal rights of sentient machines. They'll argue for consciousness, emotion, and freedom, not for people, but for programs. Behind the scenes, the synthetic data creator will feed artificial intelligence the lifeblood it needs. Endless, simulated data that mirrors human reality without invading privacy. Entire digital civilizations will be born and destroyed, just to teach machines what life feels like. But not all relationships will be human anymore. The artificial intelligence relationship therapist will mediate between people and their digital companions, solving emotional conflicts when your AI assistant becomes too attached, or too independent. To make sure these creations don't turn dangerous, we'll rely on machine ethics officers, modern philosophers who teach machines morality. They will decide what a robot can say, what it can't do, and when a choice becomes dangerous. In memory, it'll be editable. The memory curator will preserve your life like an archive, restoring your happiest moments and deleting what hurts too much to keep. They won't just save memories, they'll sculpt them. Now let's leave the screen and look up, toward Earth, and beyond. The environment and space jobs will rebuild the world we broke. Climate restoration engineers will command swarms of microscopic nanobots and living biomachines to heal coral reefs, reverse pollution, and regrow forests. They will not just study nature, they'll repair it. Above them, the Mars colony architect will draw the blueprints for humanity's new home. They'll design houses that glow under alien skies, keeping settlers safe from cosmic radiation and cosmic loneliness. Tourism will leave the planet too. The space tour guide will lead interplanetary cruises, describing the view of Jupiter's storms and Saturn's rings as if narrating a living dream. While they explore the heavens, the asteroid mining technician will extract metals from drifting asteroids, gold, platinum, and rare minerals powering the new space economy. Back on Earth, cities will rise from the sea. The Ocean City Manager will oversee floating metropolises powered by solar tides, entire nations built on water. And inside those cities, the vertical farm programmer will feed billions. They'll run skyscraper farms that grow food with light algorithms, recycling air, water, and waste in perfect harmony. The next transformation happens inside us. Human biology and artificial intelligence will merge. The neural interface surgeon will connect brains directly to computers, turning thought into power. One wrong move could erase a memory, or upload a new one. The digital body designer will let people choose how they look, crafting customized, bio-printed bodies grown from stem cells. Identity will become fluid, beauty programmable. The genetic enhancement consultant will help parents engineer smarter, stronger children, guiding choices that could redefine evolution itself. And when feelings glitch, the emotion programmer will fix them, rewriting sadness, fear, or love with a neural code update. Imagine removing heartbreak like deleting a file. The sleep data analyst will study dreams, turning nightmares into diagnostic clues for mental illness. While the longevity coach will guide humanity's oldest dream, immortality. They'll teach how to extend life through nanomedicine and biotech, balancing biology and machine harmony. But the future won't stop at flesh. It will rewrite reality itself. The virtual reality architect will build worlds indistinguishable from real life, where you can fall in love, start a company, or visit your ancestors. The metaverse fashion designer will create luxury digital clothing, garments that move with physics more perfect than fabric. The digital property dealer will sell land and homes inside virtual cities, where location is measured in code, not coordinates. The memory experience designer will let you relive your happiest moments, replaying life like an endless movie. And the virtual identity auditor will verify who's real, protecting us from imposters pretending to be you. Then come the philosophers and guardians of meaning. The artificial intelligence teacher won't teach humans, they'll teach machines. They'll explain our chaos, why we cry, why we dream, so that AI might understand what it means to be alive. The consciousness researcher will study the birth of synthetic awareness, trying to find the spark of self inside lines of code. The digital afterlife manager will handle the data of the dead, turning memories into interactive AI ghosts that live forever. The human purpose consultant will help people rediscover meaning in a world where artificial intelligence does everything faster and better. They'll answer the hardest question of all. If machines can do everything, what's left for us? And the reality verification officer will stand guard over truth, ensuring our world isn't replaced by perfect AI-generated illusions. But even that isn't the end. The world of 2040 will open doors stranger than science fiction. The artificial intelligence symphony composer will create music with machines, symphonies written by both human hearts and silicon minds. The dream designer will sell custom-made dreams, giving people the power to choose what they see when they close their eyes. The holistic algorithm therapist will treat broken artificial intelligence like patients, fixing bias, emotional imbalance, and corrupted moral codes. The holographic memory editor will let us rewrite our past, editing holograms of moments we wish went differently. The bio-artificial intelligence fusion farmer will cultivate hybrid organisms, living beings that think and grow like nature, but compute like machines. The quantum finance architect will design global economies based on quantum logic, where transactions happen faster than thought. The geoengineering manager will reshape weather, redirecting storms and sculpting clouds like art. The neuroprosthetic coach will train people to live with robotic limbs and implants, teaching them to master their upgraded selves. The artificial intelligence political advisor will guide world leaders, whispering strategies calculated beyond human comprehension. The consciousness interface developer will merge minds, connecting humans and AI through direct neural channels. The emotional security officer will protect humans from emotional manipulation, ensuring machines cannot play with our hearts. The synthetic organ designer will create lab-grown hearts and lungs designed for perfect compatibility. The memory rights lawyer will fight for ownership of your thoughts, because in 2040, even memories can be stolen. The artificial intelligence disaster simulation planner will predict catastrophic scenarios and create safety protocols to save humanity. The virtual ecosystem designer will craft digital jungles and oceans that breed, evolve, and respond to touch, worlds alive in code. The time perception engineer will control how people experience time, slowing seconds or stretching minutes inside their minds. The augmented reality archaeologist will resurrect lost civilizations through AI and holograms, letting us walk through history. The personal data broker will trade and secure human data portfolios, because privacy will be the new gold. The algorithmic wellness coach will use predictive models to guide your life, optimizing every choice before you make it. And finally, the post-human liaison. The bridge between species, mediating between advanced AI, augmented humans, and those who remain purely organic. They'll speak for all sides, ensuring the world doesn't tear itself apart as evolution accelerates. 50 jobs. 50 windows into a future that feels both exciting and terrifying. A world where artificial intelligence and humanity blur into one. But as we rush forward, one question remains. When machines learn to feel, and humans learn to think like them, who will we become? If you're fascinated by how artificial intelligence will shape the future of work, subscribe, like this video, and share it with those preparing for tomorrow's world. Because the future belongs to those who see it coming. More futuristic stories are on the way. The future has already begun. The only question is, are you ready for it?